Hi, welcome back to Purple Pleats. I'll be going to an Indian wedding, and there's a few different functions. It's going to be in Toronto, Canada. It's a family friend's wedding, and packing for a wedding, especially when there's a few functions, can be a daunting task. So today I'm going to simplify packing for you, and hopefully this video is going to make your life a little bit easier when you pack for an Indian wedding. I've laid out all the outfits and the jewelry and all the accessories here on the table that I want to take, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. So this is a lehenga skirt. It's a skirt with a crop top. It was purchased in Ethnicity, and I'm planning on pairing it with this dupatta. But I usually like to take backups of things in case it doesn't work out, especially if it's for a wedding, because if you don't, then you're stuck if you don't have something. So I took this dupatta as well, and I took this shirt instead of the crop top if I feel like wearing this little shirt with the pink skirt, the pink lehenga, because in case it's a more casual event, if I want to dress it down instead. So I would put all of these together, and I would take this plastic. You can order these on Amazon. These are like sari bags. If you search for sari bags on there, you could find a bunch of these types. I'll try to link it in the description box below. So I would just put everything that you want to wear for each event into one plastic bag, so it makes life much more easier, not rummaging around when you're during the wedding, when things are hectic and you're in a rush to get ready. So everything is neatly organized for that. So I put that, and along with that I would put the jewelry. I'm planning on wearing these jhumka earrings. It was from a friend, my mom's friend. So I would put these in this. This is another type of bag you can get. I'm sure you can get on Amazon. It has like bubble wraps on it. So it keeps it like when you're packing it so it doesn't go around, when you put it in the suitcase, move around a lot. And I'm taking those earrings, and I may feel like wearing these instead or with one of that. So I'm going to put this along with them as well. These are bought over here. They're not Indian or anything. I think their brand is Landry. My mom gave it as a gift. And so I would put that in there, and then I would find a bindi that I feel like would match it, so I'm not rummaging around looking for bindis as well. So I would stick that, I would put all of this together, and then I would get these little boxes. If you can find some boxes like this, I'm sure you can get these on Amazon as well, or other similar types of boxes. You can even put it in here for an extra layer of protection, and you just close that. And then I just stick that in there, and I close that, and I do that for every single outfit. I also have bangles in here. I included the bangles in this one for all the outfits because I feel it's just easier to keep all the bangles in one place for each of the outfits. It just becomes too chaotic, and I feel like it might break if I keep it separately. So that's I was planning on wearing these bangles right here most likely. This outfit was for the mehendi. Okay, and this outfit is for another function, like a vratam that they had planned. It's like I think that's like a promise that they make, or vows that they make before the wedding. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but it's just a pink blouse right here. And I also, in case this breaks or just doesn't work out and I don't feel like wearing a sleeveless, I'm going to be wearing this. I might wear this blouse depending on how I feel over there. So that's why I'm taking a backup. And some of these blouses can actually interchange with the other saris. And so I matched the petticoat with it. And this is just a yellow kanji sari. It's full yellow it has some pink border on it. It was a gift from my mom. So I would put all of this together in here. And then here is a necklace that I would wear with it. This was purchased in Bangalore by my aunt. I don't remember the name of the store. I think it was like in one of the malls. I can find out. And then here, and it's with these little earrings. And it has this little tika. I'm not sure if I'll wear this with it, but if I feel like it, I will. So I will put this all in here. This one I didn't put in a box because it's not that delicate. I feel like it won't really break, and this is good enough. This little bubble bag. And then I found some bindi that I would like to wear with it, so I stick that in there. And then I put that in here, and then I zip it up. Okay, and this is the third outfit. This is for the actual wedding ceremony in the temple. So this is the blouse. It came with the sari on the whippler.com, umaganation.whippler.com. It was a gift from my mother-in-law. It came with the simple blue sari. I got it altered so it fits me well now. And I also brought a backup. You know, like sometimes the snap might come loose, then you're stuck, then you have nothing. So I'm taking this backup blouse. It's a gold, just a plain gold blouse. It's a little tight, so I'll probably have to, I don't have time to fix it over here, so I'll do it when I go there. And then I put the petticoat, and then I put a blue silk sari. It's my grandmother's. Like when she passed away, they gifted it to her daughters and daughter-in-law. So I put that along with that, and I put that with that. And another thing you can do if you want is you can actually put, to make it even more easier, is you can put like your whole outfit, even your bra and underwear, so you're not like flustered looking around here and there, especially since wedding times can be a little bit crazy. And then, so I would put this bindi in there because that's the bindi I want to wear with it. And then this is just a kundan necklace I bought at a jewelry show over here, a yearly jewelry show. Sorry, it sometimes gets tangled. It's kind of weird. So that's how that is. So I stick that in there. You don't need if you want, you can put a box if you're worried about it getting ruined or squished, but I think this should be good enough because I'll have enough padding. And then it goes with these earrings right here. I bought some backup earrings to wear with it in case, and these go with some of the other outfits if I feel like wearing them instead. They're they're small little chandbali earrings my mom bought in India to go with another necklace. No, she didn't buy it in India. She bought it at a place called Art Carrot. Okay, so I would stick that in here, and I would zip this up. Oh, and then the bangles for both of the saris are in here. This yellow one would match the yellow sari, and then any of these would pair well with the these blue ones. Some of these are interchangeable. I could wear these blue ones would go with this, or even the pink ones and purple ones might go with that as well. So that is that. And then sometimes you never know, there might be a surprise function. So sometimes I'm going to be bringing another outfit, or like if I, maybe I might want to change into another more comfortable outfit, or if there's a sudden new event or something like that. I have another fourth outfit right here. My mom bought it in Haridwar. It's just like a long chanderi kurta. Hopefully you can see that, but yeah, so that's what it is. And I might be linking pictures of me wearing these outfits at the events. Okay, so, and then this is just a jacket that goes up. I really like it. It's really, and it's perfect for summer since it's like a summer. So this goes over it. So I have to take all of this apart. Yeah, because it's, okay, I'm trying to be as neat as possible. And then these simple black leggings to wear underneath it. So I'm putting it all together in this sari bag. It's called the sari bag. Okay. And then this is the bindi I want to wear with it. And then these are jewelry, earrings that I want to wear with it. Jumki earrings. So I stick that in there. These earrings were purchased by my aunt in Chennai. My husband's aunt. Yeah, so I put that in the box so it doesn't break. See, these seem a little bit more delicate. Stick that in there. I zip it up. And, and these bangles would match. A lot of these bangles would match. Like this would go really well with this. So I can always mix and match all of the different bangles. Okay, and then for shoes, I put it in these little shoe bags that I ordered from Amazon as well. I have other better shoes, but I feel like they're uncomfortable, so I'm gonna put these ones. They're just gold bandolino shoes. They're pretty old. I've been wearing these are my go-to heels for Indian weddings, so I put that in there. That's gonna go with all the saris. And then this is another shoe that my husband bought in Mumbai. These are just jutis. And I feel like this would go well with the lehenga or even the salwar that I showed you, the green salwar. So I would stick this in here. And I would put that, and I don't want these ones. And then also I would get my clutch. This is a clutch that I plan on wearing with everything because it would look weird to wear my regular handbag with all the outfits. My mom gifted this for me. She thought it was apt for purple pleats because it's purple. And then in another bag, I just stick like safety pins because usually I use safety pins to put saris and dupattas and extra bindis. And like Indian hair accessories that I would put along with. And then also this little bliss stick, like if your feet hurt from your shoes, like your heels and stuff. So this helps. It says it forms an invisible barrier between skin and your shoes to help reduce rubbing and friction. So I think this is quite convenient. And then what I do next is I have this. This is a big sari bag, which I'm sure you can get on Amazon as well. I'll try to link it again. It's a bag that you can store your saris in. It's just a plastic bag. So to keep everything separate, I would put it in here because I'll have other clothes and makeup, and I feel like it'll be easier to keep it separately, so you don't need to. So it doesn't mix with your other stuff. Like later I got confused at my cousin's wedding, like everything was together and I got confused how to pack, so it's just easy in one place. So I'll put everything in here. And I put it in order of like what event. Since this is a backup, I will put this last. And then this is for the wedding. I put this. And then this one, and then I put it in order of the functions. Like this will be the first event, and this will be the second event. So I put it all in here. And then I stick the shoes in there. It's looking more bulky. Okay. And then stick it in whichever corner. I stick the extra pouch here, and my clutch. I put it on the side, and the bangles. I just close that, and I put that there. And you just And what you can do is you can also put, like if you're traveling with kids or your husband, you can also put all the wedding outfits in one bag or one suitcase, and it'll just be easy. And there you go. And that's the final, this is the wedding outfit. And you stick it in my suitcase. I'll probably stick it like on one side of the suitcase. It's a hard type of suitcase, so I'll stick it on one side so it's just easy to grab and go. Yeah, and let me know which, how you like to pack in the comments below. And which outfit you liked best. So I hope you liked my video. And please do like it and share so you can get notified of all my future videos. See you next time.